How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I've been pretty bummed these past few days. I've been unsubscribed from a lot of my honeys, and a lot of my honeys are unsubscribed from me through no doing of my own. And when I go subscribe again, and then I leave their channel and then come back to the channel, I'm unsubscribed again. So I don't know what YouTube is doing. And one of my honeys emailed me and told me I can't mention that disease that's going around. So I won't say that word. Well, anyway, welcome to Wig Wednesday. I'll be reviewing this cutie. I've reviewed her before. It's called Brenda. It's a quick weave. Complete cap. It's usually quick weave to me means half wig, but this says complete cap. So, and it didn't come with any lace, but I still made my MzBrazell notch in the parting area. So let's get to it. And it's by Outre. Okay. In this kind of package. So this is Brenda. And I have it in the color PLT 1B 425. So it has these subtle highlights in it. And this is the way the cap looks. Nice airy cap construction. It has one comb at the back along with the two adjustable straps with the tag. And it has still a short comb in the top. This comb in the top. And it has, did I make this part? I think the part was here and I just put some concealer in it. This is how the parting space looks right here. So I put some powder in here and I cut this little notch. It's a little V. I call that my MzBrazell notch. So it can line up. I don't have a part. Well, that's what I do with most of my wigs. Cut a MzBrazell notch in it. Like I said, it did not have lace. So, let's get to it. I'm going to measure. And I start to review another wig I had already called Hazel. She's cute. But I decided on Brenda. So we'll measure from this last weft. So you can know the true hanging length. Because it won't do no good for me to measure from here. But you still ain't gonna know how long it's gonna hang. And I'm very tall. And just because it hangs at a certain place on me, don't mean it's gonna hang at the same spot on you. 12 inches long, hanging length. So, I'm gonna put on my wig grip. This keeps my wig from being snatched off or falling off. Let me tuck this braid. My hair's still wet. I just comb my hair and braid it in one braid. I'm tucking the braid under itself. And I'm going to put on my wig grip. And always put the wig grip on with the folded edge towards your forehead. Don't put the sewn edge towards your forehead, else your wig just may slide off. Okay. Okay, this is the right side part. And I like my parts on the left side, but it'll work. And I'm only going to secure the comb that's in the back. Secure it up under my tucked under braid. Trying to fix my braid so it's not sticking out in the back. I've had this wig for quite a while. It came with baby hair. See that? I don't want that showing. I don't like that. And it actually looks more shiny on camera than it does in real life. But shininess doesn't bother me. I like shiny hair. But it's really not that shiny. That's cute. I like the swoop. It has a lot of body. Okay, I'm going to use some powder. It's True Match by L'Oreal. I have it in the color Warm W8. So I'm using a little brush. I'm just going to go in right here where this MzBrazell notch is and extend this part to my head. Let me go in here. That's good, y'all. To that body, you push it. And it actually looks like the picture. She has the ends of her hair kind of more angled. And I don't like my hair doing that because I feel like I'm being choked and strangled. Okay, I'm seeing hair out the corner of my eye. I don't want nothing bothering me. Gotta get rid of it. Okay. I still see it. Where is it? I look crazy. Okay, I'm gonna take a thumbnail right now while I'm thinking about it. Do I want to do her expression? I like to smile. Okay, I'm gonna turn. Okay, this is the hair to the front. That's how far it comes on me. Right side. Back. See how nice and full it is. And the left side with this beautiful swoop. Okay. I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And check and see if you all are still subscribed to me. If not, please resubscribe. I'd appreciate it. Okay, bye. Y'all stay home, stay safe. and be blessed. Bye.